There's been a space race in Texas in recent years, and I'm not talking about conquering the heavens. I'm talking about finding places for our dynamic manufacturing and warehousing businesses. Across the United States, there's been a boom in industrial real estate. That boom has been driven by demand for consumer products and spaces to manufacture more of the goods and services that we all consume in our daily lives. In Texas, employment in those industrial-using industries has actually grown at twice the rate of the country in 2022. When we talk about demand for industrial real estate, there are three industries that we need to keep an eye on. That's manufacturing, wholesale trade, and warehousing. Each of Texas's 25 markets have different mixes of those industries, and because of that, we see different demand for industrial real estate across those markets. The industry mix in a big market like Houston or Dallas will be different from a market like Laredo or Texarkana. Industrial real estate has been an important driver in Texas's economy for decades. In fact, if we look back over the last 15 years, we can see that all of Texas's 25 markets have grown rapidly and in together along a similar trend line. That stopped in 2014 when the major markets began growing faster than the smaller markets in the state. We explain that difference simply because job growth has been so much more robust in the major markets than it has been in the smaller metro areas. Even with this job growth, Texas's industrial markets have remained competitive with major industrial markets around the country. Rent growth in our metropolitan areas has not been any faster than markets like Atlanta, California's Inland Empire, or Chicago. Texas has been able to stay competitive because our markets actually express a virtuous cycle where job growth in those key industries creates a steady demand. That sends a signal to investors and developers to provide a ready supply of space that keeps our markets in balance at a reasonable rental rate. For more information, check out my article, Industrial Space Race, online or in the spring 2023 edition of TG.